The Nationals are over. We got a third place in New South Wales, which was good. Now we're starting up next 6-week block of training, which will see me eating about 6,500 calories a day. My first cheat meal after comp, as you can see, 2 quarter pounders, 10 nuggets, large fries, and I'll probably go and attack the cake after this. I'll probably have half a cake just to make up those carbs that I missed out during contest. This morning I was 78 kilo on the dot. So over the next 6 weeks, I'll show you what I'm going to eat. I'll show you my training. We're sort of going to work towards getting over the 90 kilo mark in that first 6 weeks, and then work towards getting up to the 100 kilo mark. So stay tuned, and I'll be doing regular video vlogs, advising you guys on how to go. Talk to you later. And don't forget to go to Broadway Gym tomorrow, where I'll be interviewing Sean Ray. There'll be great deals on food and nutrition. It'll be a really good day. It's up at 5. See you there.